Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. Today I am showing you guys, here we have another wear and go wig. So the wig that I have today is this 7x5 bye knots curly wig with finger coil ends. We love a wig that you can just take out the package and put on and go. So that's what I'm going to do today. Here's our unit. It is a 7x5 unit. It is 20 inches long and it has these finger coiled ends. The wig comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and you get a lot of parting space on this unit. I'm going to put this on my head, adjust the strap. Okay, this looks really good, so I'm just going to stick the comb in. You can totally see. I'm going to add a little bit of concealer down the part so that you can't see the wig cap, but the wig cap is holding my hair down, so I wanted to put a wig cap on today, but I'm just going to go ahead and attach the comb in the back and the drawstring. So pretty. They have that finger coiled end. I might leave it like this. This looks really good right out of the pack. And this is 20 inches. All I'm gonna do is add a little bit of foam. I feel like this helps to like melt the lace into the skin. And of course we do glueless units around here. You don't need any glue for these units. They fit nice and snug. So I'm just adding this so that the lace like melts into my skin without doing too much. Kind of like that. And then with like some of that product, I'm just gonna use that for like my natural edges, because y'all know my edges always be hanging out. I think it just helps it look a little more realistic to me. To me, it helps a little bit. I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and dab this down the center of the part just to camouflage my wig cap line of demarcation, because the lace is so thin, it's like you can see right through it. So we're just gonna put a little bit right here to kind of camouflage our wig cap, but not too much because we don't want like a wide part. I slid the wig cap back to see what it looks like without the wig cap, and I definitely like it better without the wig cap. Yeah, I like it better without the wig cap on underneath. Well, showing for me. I went ahead and changed my shirt because you couldn't see the curls because my shirt was black, but now you can see the spiral ends much better. The true length of the hair is 20 inches. I do have a spray bottle here, and what I'm going to do is spray down one side. So I feel like the purpose of the wear and go wigs are so that you can put the wig on straight out of the box and be on your merry way. And I think you can definitely do that with this one. This one actually came so perfect. You can put this wig on and go. It doesn't have a strange smell. The fit is perfect. The curls are so pretty and juicy and lustrous. Like, this just looks so good. So I'm going to show you what the hair looks like when you dampen it down with a little water. Because normally I like to wash my curly hair so you can see like the true curl. And of course, if you want that finger coiled look, you can kind of go back in and do it yourself. You can also see like the true length now. I'm sure it'll shrink up a little bit. And do it yourself. Big sections, a little foam. And you can like finger coil the hair yourself. Like so. Really cutesy. So the hair is about 90% dry. As you can see, it kind of shrunk back up to how it was. I did unclump one of the curls because it was just like too much hair clumped together. But look at the little ringlets. They're so cute. And yeah, so this is the difference between how it comes pre-finger coiled. And then of course you could do that if you wanted to this side. But I actually like my side. I like both sides. Like if you wanted to just hurry up and put this on and go, you can wear it like this. This is super cute. But if you wanted to see like the real curls, this is what they're looking like. This is the hair, really pretty lace laid, okay? The lace looks so good on this unit. Everything. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Klaiyihair's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.